In this video, I will be talking about how to be a ground staff, what are the skills and experience you must have to be a ground staff, and what are the eligibility criteria and how much you can earn after being a ground staff, and how to apply for it, vacancies, and many more. What's up, people? Welcome back to another new and fresh episode of Pratik Aviation Talks. My name is Pratik, and on this channel, I talk about stuffs related with aviation and I try to simplify all those in front of you guys. So if you guys are an aviation enthusiastic and if you love aviation and you wants to be a ground staff, pilot, cabin crew or wants to join on any department of aviation, this channel is exactly the right place for you. Go ahead and subscribe the channel. I am waiting for you here. So let's proceed with the first step, that is, what is a ground staff? Ground staff is the one whom we see from the entrance of an airport till the flight. They are responsible for attending the passengers before and after the flight on ground. Generally, there are two groups or two types of ground staff. Group 1 works for a particular airline, Group 2 works for the airport. Now let's know how these two groups differ from each other. Ground staff working for a specific airline will only assist the passengers of that particular airline, and the ground staff working for the airport take care of all the passengers inside the airport irrespective the airline through which they are flying. One important thing you should know that airport is a governmental body and all the airports of India are approved and run by Airport Authorities of India, whereas most of the airlines are private body. Now let's proceed to the fourth step, that is the departments under ground staff. Ticketing agent, ramp planner, flight dispatcher, customer service agent, security executive, handyman or handywoman, sales executive, avionics technician and all of those whom you see on the ground of the airport. Now what are the duties of the ground staff? The duties of a ground staff depends on the post or department you are working for. Let's talk about the eligibility criteria you must have to fulfill to be a ground staff. Proceeding with the first step, that is the academic qualification, it generally varies on department to department. Generally, to be the ground staff of an airline requires graduation on any stream as minimum qualification. You can also apply for lower posts such as handyman, trolley boy, luggaging executive if you have done your 10+2 or 12th. You may get more preferences or priority if you have done your graduation on hotel management or aviation, and also if you have done your diploma or postgraduate diploma on airport ground staff training. Now talking about the experience, most of the time companies didn't ask for any prior experience for junior departments, but they may ask for it if you want to join senior departments. And talking about the most important skills you must have to be a ground staff are good communication skills, fluent English speaking skills, planning skills, customer service, interpersonal skills, teamwork, willing to work in shifts, well-groomed skills. The age requirements depend on the post and on the airline you work for. Generally, minimum age is 18 years and maximum age is 35 years. Generally, there are no criteria for height and weight, but if any recruiting agencies ask for it, it would be 167 cm height for boys, 155 cm height for girls. The body mass index or BMI needed for boys is 18 to 25 and for girls it is 18 to 23. Now let's know the top institute in India where you can pursue your ground staff training. The first one is Franklin Institute, the second one is Jetty Aviation Institute, the third one is MIT University, and the last and fourth one is Skybird Aviation Institute. Now the employment opportunities you would get to work as a ground staffs are: the first one is airline, the second one is airport, the third one is travel agencies, and you can also work on ground staff training institutes where you can train aspirants to be a ground staff, and for that you must have to be experienced of working as a ground staff. Now what are the top recruiting agencies for ground staffs in India? The first one is Indigo, then SpiceJet, AirAsia and GoAir. Now how can you apply for the job of ground staff? Airline ground staff, that is who wants to work for a particular airline, can apply from the career page of that particular airline's website. And an airport ground staff can apply by job notifications, by agencies and by dropping resume. One important thing to notice is that airline or airport authority never asks for money to give you job or to hold the interview. Do not provide any money to anyone. If anyone asks for it, it's totally fraud, nothing else. Now, as always, let's proceed to the most interesting part, that is what is the salary of ground staff in India. The starting salary is rupees 12,000 per month, the mid-level salary is rupees 22,000 per month, the senior post salary is rupees 30,000 per month, and it varies from airline to airline. Now let's discuss about the pros of becoming a ground staff. A variety of job roles are available. Large discounted air tickets for employees and their family. Health and life insurance are provided, but it depends on airlines to airlines. It is a highly rewarded job and it is also a very smart profession. Everything in this universe have pros as well as cons too, and the job of ground staff also have these. Let's know those. The first one is long working hours and you might have to work on rotational shifts. Always have to be polite with passengers even if they are hard to handle or they behave badly. May have to be on duty on holidays and family occasions too. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button, and if you like me to discuss on such topics and if you do not want to miss any of these, make sure to subscribe the channel and also hit the notification bell icon so that you receive a notification as soon as I upload a new video. That's it for today's video and I will be reaching you further on next video. Till then, take care, stay safe and happy landings.